everyone. Now I'm going to practice the SH and CH sound that we have learned. First is unvoiced SH. Free, sure, shadow, sheep, shirt, shoe, shape, Chicago, strap, nation, motion, mission, special, reputation, official, machine, fishing, insurance, sunshine, ocean, tissue, addition, subtraction, rush, dish, establish, splash, Irish, fresh. Third is voice S8. Vision, visual, conclusion, Asia, version, division, casual, television, beige, message, practice. Third is unvoiced C8. China, cherry, charge, chocolates, challenge, cheese, shark, chairman, kitchens, lunch box, picture, teacher, richer, nature, beach ball, fortune, detach, teach, porch, march, patch, ranch, coach, approach. And finally is voice C8. Juice, jump, younger, Uris, Japan, giant, genetic, junior, German, algebra, legend, magic, subject, digest, rejoice, objective, majesty, educate, suggestion, age, college, potage, stage, blaze, release, ivories, page, carries, canaries. And now is it dialogue. You did a good job. I didn't play very well in the baseball game. Sure did you. You did a good job. But I didn't make any points. That's okay. You did a good job. Our team lost the game. But you did a good job. Sure. Well, I guess I won't quit the team then. Good. Because you did a good job. And finally is dialogue. You are so special. Why did you buy me flower? Because you are so special. Why did you buy me candy? Because you are so special. Why did you make me a cake? Because you are so special. Well, I have something to tell you. What? You are so special too.